Hello and welcome back. If this is your first time tuning in, then welcome to 60 Second Tech, where I teach you tips and tricks on how to enhance your digital literacy in only 60 seconds or less. My name is Dalton, your friendly neighborhood librarian from the Paul Sawyer Public Library. In today's episode, we are going to talk about a basic computer literacy skill, and that is the ability to type. Whether using a mobile technology or a desktop computer, typing is an essential function when interacting with any kind of technology. However, many of us demonstrate varying degrees of that skill. But it's never too late or even too early to enhance your typing capabilities. So in today's episode, I'm going to introduce to you 3 unique online resources that are designed to enhance your speed and accuracy when typing. If this sounds like something that can benefit you, then let's start the clock and get started.
Maybe you are someone who is new to typing, or you simply know the basics but are in search of a tool that will improve your accuracy. Then try typingclub.com. This software offers users a collection of free typing lessons and games designed to make you into a typing pro. Begin with their initial course or locate lessons that match your unique needs. Much like our previous tool, typing.com offers a unique interactive platform that encourages typing, digital literacy, vocabulary, and more. Begin by determining your current skill level. As you advance in your chosen lessons, collect achievements and climb ranks, becoming an expert in no time. Testing your typing skills doesn't have to be limited to any one software. Using the free Google Chrome extension SpeedTyper, you can challenge your skills at any point on the web. To access this extension, navigate to the Chrome extension store, search SpeedTyper, install, then open the extension in your top ribbon menu.
Thank you so much for tuning in today, and as always, I greatly appreciate your time and willingness to want to enhance your digital literacy. My name is Dalton, and until next time, I'll see you later.